Go. Blue Alliance with 3 balls, Red Alliance with just 1. Let's see what they can do with it. Red Alliance gets their 1 ball in the high goal. Blue shoots. They can't get any of them. They've got 3 balls they need to take care of before they can start a cycle. We've got movement from 5-car robots, but QC Elite seems to be not moving. It looks like the Blue Alliance will get rid of 2 of their balls. Cyborg passing for last, lining up. If we get that to a high goal, we're going to be able to get out that ball now. We're going to cycle started. Cam Denton, they've got the Red Alliance ball, trying to do something with it. They line up, they get that into that high goal. 10 points on the board. They're a player. Toss the ball to 42-12. They're able to grab hold of it. Flaming Monkeys trying to make it difficult for them to pass it up to Cam Denton, but they're able to do it. 42-96 fires a blue ball over the truss. Cam Denton takes that ball straight into the high goal. 55 points, Red Alliance. The Red Alliance not going to let that go easily. They get a ball into that high goal. That brings us to 86 points for blue, 55 for red. 42-96, blue ball over the truss. Cam Denton trying to fire over the truss, but hits the bottom. 42-12, trying to play some defense against the Blue Alliance. Having difficulty is 3 blue robots on 1 red. Smoke coming from 42-12. Lots of smoke coming from 42-12's robot. Our head referee taking a look. Still lots of smoke coming from 42-12. $17 left to go. Cam Denton goes in to score, up into that high goal. That brings them to 85 points. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's take a look. We'll wait to hear back from our scores.